What's up, guys? Welcome to Protect, Live, and Survive. The topic of discussion, we're going to talk about snare wires, but before I do that, I wanted to let you know about the multi-tool. Okay, if you don't have one, you can get one for relatively cheap on Amazon and eBay, anywhere from $10 to $20 to $30, depending. The higher end ones cost more, but doesn't necessarily mean that they're the best. I got this one for about like 12 bucks, okay, on eBay. And it does the job just fine, like all my other ones, right? So if you remember in one of my other videos, I talked about making fishing hooks out of soda tabs, out of beer tabs, right? And these are just like smaller versions, but what I should have mentioned was that you can also get bigger tabs from like dog food or other cans that have bigger tabs, and these are obviously a little bit more solid and sturdier, like more heavy duty, as opposed to like these little soda tab ones, right? Because these are like heavy duty. You can catch bigger game, bigger fish with this and these, right? So I just wanted to run that by you real quick. Same method. You cut here, cut here, cut here, you cut here, you cut here, and you fold it and just make a fishing hook and tie a line, right? Anyway, what I want to get into also was you can get this on Amazon for like 10 bucks, okay? And it comes with a spool. Alright? Now, so this is mostly for those of you that know me personally and ask me questions and stuff like that. And if you happen to stumble on this channel, this is your first video and you see this, thank you, welcome for stopping by. Check out all the other previous videos if you want to catch up or if you're interested in learning a little bit more about survival. Alright? So one video topic of discussion I was talking about was trapping and snare wires. So this snare wire is 15 pound 20 gauge, right? And it comes with about 175 feet. So this is something that you would bring with you on the field. It would be in your bag, and then you'd have to rig it up, right, to make your own little trap. So I'm going to cut a piece off. And again, another purpose of the multi-tool, right, besides making fishing hooks, right? Take a piece off, snip, snip. Okay, so what you want to do is when you're making your snare, you want to have a loop of some sort, right? You want to have that loop come in this way. You see it? Boom. And then you're gonna tie the rest of the line up, right? Or the rest of the wire up on it, in and on itself. Okay. You're gonna keep wrapping it there. And the purpose of this loop is so you can feed the other end through it to have that snag effect, okay? So when the animal gets caught, zoop, and it's done, right? And then you just get this to close it off. Okay, one of the many purposes of a multi-tool. Again, I can't recommend these enough. Keep them on your person at all times. You already have one, great. As long as it has the cutting portion of it right there, you're good to go. I keep this one because of the file. Like I said, in an emergency and I need to sharpen my blade. I have nothing on me. I don't have my diamond sharpener. I'm separated from my pack, whatever. This is on me. Right, file. So this comes in handy for a lot of things. That's why it's called a multi-tool. Multi-tool purposes, right? So you come here and you just twist your wire, right? Clamp that off. And then what you want to do is you want to get your other ends. You want to feed it through, okay? Kind of straighten out a little bit. Just feed it through. And there you go. There's your little hoop, right? And what I like to do is, depending on what I'm catching, if it's squirrel or rabbit, all right, I'm gonna make a little bend here, so it's like a stop, right? That's where it stops. Boom. And I'll take this other end and I'll attach it to something else, like a chain or something to keep it secure, or eye hook, right, which we have here, right? And I'll attach it to something sturdier. You know, it depends on what's going on, right? So basically, the purpose of this is that it doesn't go anymore, but if the animal gets caught and it tries to pull back, right? Okay, gotcha, good. All right, listen, this is for the squeamish, right? You gotta survive, you gotta feed your family. I'm a carnivore. I'm not a vegan by any means. Not that there's anything wrong with being vegan or vegetarian or pescatarian or anything like that. I love my meat. I'm a carnivore by nature, and I love it. I grew up on it. I was raised on it. Okay, you're not always gonna buy or get your meat in a package like at a supermarket, right? Sometimes you gotta hunt for your stuff. You don't mind getting your hands dirty? That's what it is, right? So guys, take this with a grain of salt. There are lots of videos out there that can get more into depth, more into detail. I just wanted to show you in case you never seen it before. This is the first time that you're seeing it, right? So thank you to Protect and Survive. Stay safe. Keep studying. Practice. See you on the other side. Peace. Alright, so you tie your little loop up in there. Bring it back and you clamp it down. Okay. And it's hooked. See it? Okay, you can tighten it up. You can wrap it this way. Okay, sideways. Back to the top. Okay, that's nice and secure. And you have your improvised fishing hook. Okay, just add your bait. Something bites it, it pulls. You pull back. And now you just pull. Okay, boom. What happened? Want to take a picture with me? Huh? Want to take a picture with me? It's my baby. It's my baby.